Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. We started off with a lot of waiting this morning. They had a bunch of the roads closed. I guess they had.
Want a rug?
I don't need a rug, but thank you. I appreciate you though.
No problem. Goodwill didn't want it either.
Oh boy, Goodwill didn't want it either. But anyways, we had to wait forever. I think they said there's a body on the side of the road, so they got the road closed down. I don't know what's going on, but traffic's been horrible, just horrible, I tell you. So we're gonna get after today and see what kind of goods we can find. Onward. This is the kind of stuff we're looking for right here. It's a pull-up bar. Yeah, I'll bet you that thing's heavy. Your metal, your aluminum. Oh, you got a little thing attached to you. That's a long pole. That's what she said. Sorry, couldn't help myself. I think that might be steel. It looks copper though, right? No. It is. That's crazy town. Put you in there. A little thingabobber. Oh, this is not as heavy as I was hoping. There's all the stuff on top of it. It's just structurally stable, not heavy. Oh. It's not heavy. It's just not as heavy as I was hoping. Oosh. Alrighty, kids. Onward. Looky, got ourselves a Fijiator. Early on big. We'll take her. She's got the doors off. Rare sight around here. You guys can come over yonder. Come on. Whoosh. All right. Onward. My camera didn't fucking go on. I'm on the phone, sweetheart, or I'm on the... Not in the vehicle, sweetie. Okay, go. Okay, go. What is this? This is a giraffe. It's metal or... Is that TV mount? Go into the vehicle. This is a nice bucket. Quite the nice bucket. Sorry guys, in that last clip, I didn't even know my camera was on. I thought that it didn't click on. So I didn't talk as much as I normally talk. Some people probably loved that, but I don't know if you guys saw or not, but we got a cool little giraffe. That was pretty fun. And, oh my gosh, so heavy. And we got a fan. If you didn't know, we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So now's your moment to smash that like button, because that's what we do when we find fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. All right, we haven't had a computer in a while. We got another pole too. It's an extrusion. Oh, you're not metal. I meant to grab this one. Man, this is an old one. I'm not gonna have the card I want in this one, I can tell you that. Still have some boards though. Onward. All kind of fire trucks and police trucks and stuff going on around here today. You guys all gonna come off? Yeah, you guys can all come off. Not ideal. You come up here, Mr. Basket. Onward. Might be another patio week. I don't know. It's definitely not as full as it's been the last couple of weeks. These are gonna be steel. This is pretty sloppy big stuff we got going here. I don't know if I can get these in one shot. Maybe. Let's give her a whirl. Yeah, we can do it. Stay. Build ourselves a glass wall. I want to move that. So go all the way down. Come over here. All right, onward. Quick little twofer. Ooh, and some Doges. Guy looks really real, doesn't he? That Beetlejuice. Looks pretty authentic sitting there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whittle bike. Oh, I wish that wine glass wasn't broken. That's kind of fun. This will keep you from flying around. What do you think, big guy? Got a good one finally. I think this might be an AC maybe. Carry on. I think this is an AC for like a, what's it called? A RV, I think. Carry on. I don't know. It looks and it feels air conditioning. May or may not be. There's broken glass trying to get me. Big old compressor in here. Let's lay you guys down before you break further. Take some pots for mama. Oh, yo. Timber! They threw out a picture of Jesus. That's not very nice. I think I figured out this back. I think I figured out with the little things inside how to keep this unlocked. I think I done figured it out, guys. This guy probably actually works, I bet. Maybe not. Like a fan or something just fell off of you. Ooh. There we go. I don't know what that is. All right, what else we got here? This probably went to the air conditioner. You don't need all this plastic mumbo jumbo stuff. This will take. I saw brass. There it is. I saw brass someplace. What is that? Holding tank deodorant. Concentrated liquid, and it's poisonous. We're gonna look this up and we're gonna put it right here. Bang. $14.99. That's my guess. See how close I am. Oh, they got all kind of stuffs in here. That's brass there. Okay. It's kind of a nice plant powder too. We'll take you as well. Gosh darn it, dropped it. All right, that's 3 computers today, guys. That's pretty awesome. Onward. Taking a flyer here. Come on, don't be full of sand in the water. Oh, you are. That's why you're still here, you dirty birds. Nothing crazy, but worth getting. A whole gaggle of screens. So many screens, I didn't even get them all on one grab. Let's see if I can get them behind the refrigerator. Come on, guys. Perfect. I know, we're going after everything today. Look at the size of this mower. It's an all-wheel drive. Think she's got compression? Oh, no compression. Dang it. I'll have to leave the mower, I guess. Onward. All right, guys, seeing this one reminds me, my TV guy's back. He messaged me over the weekend and he said, hey, I got some TVs out for you and I'm buying again. So we're gonna have to start testing TVs again. This one actually looks in fairly decent shape, but I don't want to put it in the car though. We'll put it up here. Hopefully it makes it. I don't have a plug. I don't have all my plugs with me to test them on the road, so I'll have to test that before we chuck it. And the bulky stuff keeps coming. One piece or 2 pieces? I think this is one one piece. Onward. What a weird day. Sorry, I got some stuff that you guys didn't see. It started pouring like torrentially for like 15 minutes. We got ourselves another fan, folks. We're fans here at Nacho Stuff. So since we did the first one right, we're gonna do this one right. So please take a moment, smash the like button. But we had a whole bunch of rain, and then the sun was gorgeous this morning, and then it poured, and now the sun's back out again. But I see another set of clouds coming in. Weird. It's probably gonna pour again for 15 minutes and then stop and be gorgeous again. I don't know. Talked to Kev, he's struggling as well, so it's just the way the day's going, I guess. Onward. Another quick twofer, and then I think we're gonna be almost done. We got one more little neighborhood to run through. And that's gonna be the day, I think, guys. We'll stay. You can stay there. A pretty nice looking Huffy. For a Huffy, that is. Get in there. In the second part of our twofer, this chair. You can go right in there. Onward. Now my guy's taking TVs again. We're gonna start finding TVs, I think. Although that is a platform base, which does not do great for the ear. So I know the pawn shop doesn't take the ones with the bases like that. They have to have legs. What we got here? Let's check our gear. Yeah, looking a little thick too. 13. No good. No good. Onward. Americanos. Got ourselves a hot water heater. Question is where she's gonna live. Probably up front here. What do you think? It's about the only place we've got. Ready? Get off of me. Right there's where you're gonna live, my friend. Perfect. Onward. Alrighty guys, we found our way to the yard. Those are lovely clippers that I brought today. Try these ones, I guess. We actually surprisingly had, I think, more weight than I thought we were gonna have. Ay, we're wedged in here good. See if that helps at all. There we go. Fortunately, we don't have a lot of non-ferrous. We have like a second tin pile here going on. I'm not quite sure how this works. Jill was hollering at somebody else trying to empty in there, but it goes to the same pile, so I'm not sure what they're doing here. That is steel. I'm gonna take a gander at this. I'm still not 100% sure what that is. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not. I gotta decide on that one. This one, we still need to test. Let's see if Jeffy's got the plug I need. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. It's a power supply. Wow, look at all the RAM in here. Taking cubes again already. Maybe I was just strong this morning. This is heavy now. You come this way. Look through those. Ow! I'm gonna punch myself in the face. Let's go to Jeffrey. Alright guys, we're gonna get the water heater out of here. Get all that stuff back up in here. And go over to Jeffrey's. I'll catch you over yonder. Let's do some LFJ. Started pouring again, guys. It's like rains. Let's try that one in the cloud. Rain for like, I don't know, 8 minutes. We'll do these ones, I guess. I don't get it. I didn't get into this because it started pouring before I got a chance to do it, so I'm gonna ask Jeffy. I really think it's an air conditioner based on this side, and it says cool. Portable 7,000 BTU. Yeah, air conditioner. All right, I'll come back when Jeffy's here.
What are you doing, part-timer?
I worked every day this week. What happened last week? The only day I didn't work last week was Friday. The only day I didn't work last week was Friday. That's because my car was getting fixed. I got a couple motors. You doing light now? You ready? Is this goes anything, Jeff? Or is this steel? I didn't even look at it. What? Just steel? Ugh. Whoa. Oh, your motors are ready? Whew. So rain's been weird today, huh? What's that? It pours for like 2 minutes, stops, pours for like 3 minutes, stops, pours for 10 minutes. This is gonna go as light too, right? Because it's dirty. There it goes clean. That side? You ready here? I got one more piece. One more huge piece. I need it all today. Every last gram. Every last gram's needed.
So this month's contest is scooters.
What kind of scooters?
Erasers.
Okay, like aluminum ones?
Yep.
Doesn't matter if it's gas or not gas?
I want to go with the push scooter. So what's your guess?
$74.
I got Halloween jokes still because you were like an absentee ballot gone.
Why are chickens so bad at baseball?
Why are chickens so bad at baseball? That's something to do with the field, right?
Because they're always hitting foul balls.
What do you call it when a billboard falls on you?
A wheelboard?
A really bad sign.
A really bad sign. What did the whale say to the dolphin?
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Long time no see.
I decided to sell my vacuum cleaner. It was just gathering dust.
It was just gathering dust. What kind of key never unlocks anything?
Only key. Oh, I know this. What?
I'll give you, you one of three. Come on, you gotta get one of three.
The key never works at home. Yeah.
Monkey, turkey,
Turkey.
donkey.
I think I said that last time. I believe that.
Oh, he's going to the book, guys.
That's all I got. How do you get a skeleton to laugh out loud?
Tickle his funny bone? Yes!
Three.
Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. What a weird day. You can see the puddles where it's just torrentially down for us for not long, a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes tops, like every half hour or so. It's been a weird one. It's just like a set of clouds come through. It was gorgeous when we started this morning, and then out of no place, you could feel the wind coming, and then a little cluster would come through, and it kept doing it on and off. But we gathered what we could. When I called Kev, I told him that the garbage guys were going through my neighborhood, which is typically a Wednesday pickup for large items, and they were in there today. But it was a truck that I've never seen before, so I think it's just like a surplus, auxiliary, special truck that's just going through and trying to help everybody get caught up. It'll be interesting to see if they come back through again on Wednesday or not after they did us today, but we'll have to see. But this, I think, might be a weird transitional week because it's been pretty good because we're way ahead of the garbage guys, but they're trying to get caught up. So I don't know how the week's going to turn out. We definitely had some stuff where we could actually do like picking stuff. I not really, but a little bit. I did get some Halloween stuff when it was raining that we've got in the back, some skeleton and stuff for my thrift lady, but nothing too crazy. So that's why we weren't too worried about it. But we did what we did. We filmed what we could, and we're looking forward to tomorrow. Hopefully this week's a killer one. But let's dive into our receipt. 1,160 pounds. That actually, like I said, was a little bit more than I thought. We had the nice big refrigerator. We had some stuff, but nothing too crazy. I mean, the compressor I did get rid of, so that was some nice weight. 7.5 cents a pound for $86. Irony heavy and light is just my dirty aluminum. We had 6 pounds of heavy at 25 cents for $1.50. And irony light was 18 pounds at 33 cents for $5.94. Clean aluminum was some extruded that was dirty that I wasn't going to clean up. Just 2 pounds. 45 cents a pound for 90 cents. Electric motors were 2 that I had from a dishwasher from last week. And then, what was my other motor? Oh, the power supplies from the computers. I forgot to throw my fan motor in there. I had it in my bucket and I forgot. Jeff's like, yeah, another motor in here? I'm like, oh, I forgot that one. But electric motors, 8 pounds, 26 cents a pound for $2.08. And then the extrusion were those doors that we cleaned up while we were waiting for Jeff to show up. 12 pounds, 67 cents a pound for $8.04, for a grand total today of $105.46. So we did our 1,000 pounds of tin. We did our $100 just barely. And Karen paid me with just 2 bills. So guess which one's going in the box? Huh? No. Get out of here, guys. Matt can't afford that, not on a day like today. So we're putting $5 in for today because that's the other bill we have. I was gonna put 10 in, but the box got gypped because that's all we had was a 5 and a 100. So let's see, let's do this 5 right here. We're hoping to have some big numbers. We didn't hear from any of our AC guys. Hopefully that's not a sign that it's gonna be like that this week. Woo, I need some saving. So I don't know, we'll see how the week goes. It's a new month. I'm thinking we're gonna start seeing a whole bunch of Christmas stuff. We'll have to see. Thanks for stopping by today. Please smash the thumbs up on your way out the door. I would appreciate it. It's Nacho Stuff, but I mean, you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you then.